authors in this side hustle can potentially make tens of thousands of dollars per month. Top authors here can earn over $20,000 monthly. Here's a more detailed breakdown. Earning range. Successful authors can earn anywhere from a few $100s to well over $20,000 per month. Top earners. Some authors reach Power Elite status, exceeding $1 million in total earnings on the platform, according to the site. So I asked myself, what if an amateur like me tried selling here? How much I can make in 1 month? Let's go. Alright, so I didn't mean to keep you in suspense, but the side hustle we're talking about is Envato. If you're new to Envato, it's like Amazon for digital design assets. Envato is a platform where creators can sell various digital assets. These include website themes and templates, code scripts, video effects and stock footage, music and audio, graphic design elements, stock photos, and 3D models. Authors can sell their work on marketplaces like ThemeForest, Code Canyon, Video Hive, Graphic River, Audio Jungle, Photo Dune, and 3D Ocean, or through the Envato Elements subscription service. For us, that means selling Figma files, HTML templates, and WordPress themes. And I don't know, hopefully some people will choose to buy my items, and who knows if I do make some good money. I've been seeing Envato authors talking about how much they make, like upwards of 5 to 6 figures a month. Factors like item quality, quantity, market saturation, and initial exposure all play a role in an author's success and earning potential. So I have to try it for myself and just see what's up. So here's our 1-month game plan in 5 steps. Step 1, research. What's trending? What sells? Step 2, create and design. Step 3, upload and configure. Step 4 is wait and track performance. Step 5, evaluate results and throw a small celebration if it works. Step 1, research. Step 1 is research, and here's what I'm thinking. We're going to make 3 kind of items, and they're going to be different in terms of how hard it is to actually make. And based on my skills, we're going to have an easy item, a medium, and hard. So first, I explored each category: Figma, HTML, WordPress. I looked at bestseller rankings, keyword popularity, pricing, and launch dates. Which niche is potential to invest time on? And after all research, for easy item, I think we can say, maybe finish this in 3 days. This would be a Figma template for interior website. Then we have medium. This would take maybe like a week or 10 days. This could be a HTML template. And then we have hard one. This would take maybe like 2 weeks, a WordPress theme. Step 2, create and design. 1, for Figma. Let's start design the first item. Figma template for interior and architecture design. This Figma template is best for someone who wants to build a website for interior or architecture service. They can buy this Figma and start to code right away instead of spend time to design theme self. This could save times for a developer. And beside, a developer isn't a designer, so they don't know the UI UX design. They just want to start at the part they know. That's why I think I can sell this kind of item. I will keep this design modern and clean, and this is a trending of web design right now based on my research. 2, for HTML. I will make an Indochine. HTML template again for interiors and architecture. And developer can buy my HTML to create their website faster, save time instead of design, and then convert the design into HTML and then develop the website. Now they can just save a lot of time by buying my HTML template. 3, for WordPress theme. This is the final item, the hard one, and the one that client can buy and use right away. They don't need to spend time design, make HTML, or develop the website. After purchase this WordPress, client just need a hosting, a domain, and they can launch the website immediately. Indochine, Figma template for interior design. This is the first item in my design collection, and it marks the beginning of a series I'm creating for the architecture and interior design niche. The Indochine Figma template is specifically crafted for interior design services, home decor studios, and architecture agencies that want to present their work in a sophisticated, user-friendly, and visually compelling way. The design approach is clean, modern, and timeless, ensuring that it not only looks beautiful, but also remains relevant for years. I focused on combining elegant typography, balanced layouts, and a refined color palette to create an aesthetic that feels premium yet approachable. The minimal clutter allows the content and images to truly shine, while the structured grid ensures consistency across every section. This Figma template is highly flexible, making it ideal for a wide range of clients. Developers can use it as a solid foundation to build responsive websites quickly, while while designers can easily customize it to fit their brand identity. For interior design agencies and freelancers, it offers a ready-to-use design system that elevates their portfolio presentation and service pages. The template includes all essential sections for a professional website: a captivating hero banner, about section, service showcase, portfolio gallery, testimonials, pricing plans, blog previews, and contact forms. Every component is designed with user experience in mind, ensuring intuitive navigation and clear content hierarchy. With Indochine, the goal is to give professionals in the interior design industry a powerful starting point to communicate their creativity, expertise, and style online. Whether you are a developer looking to deliver a fast project or an agency aiming for a standout web presence, this template offers the perfect balance between aesthetics and functionality. Step 3, upload and setup. Alright, after create that 3 items, now we can upload them and see. Write a clear title, example, Minimal Figma UI Kit, Clean and Modern. Set up catch keywords like responsive, bootstrap, creative layout. Upload preview images plus live demo link. Set a reasonable price, HTML 1222, Figma 1018, WP 29 Talker 49. Then hit upload and wait for review. Step 4, wait and promote. Envato usually takes a few days to review. While waiting, I prepped visuals, thumbnails, live site videos, Instagram, Facebook sneak peeks. Joined Envato author groups to share launch and gather feedback. Made a simple landing page for buyers to preview all 3 products. Step 5, results and realistic growth. So what happened at the end of the month? Here's how it went. My Figma got a couple of sales, mainly from designers needing quick UI mockups. HTML template got a few sales, small but encouraging. The WordPress theme sold best. It addressed a niche, had clean code, and good support potential. Total earnings, not 6 figures, but real, doable income enough to reinvest and refine. Lessons from this experiment. Start in niches with demand, look for gaps in Figma, HTML, WordPress library. Quality wins design matter, clean code matters. Diversify across product types. Different assets attract different buyers. Engage with community Envato forums, help authors improve visibility. Iterate consistently successful authors launch multiple items, not just one. And that's the journey of a total beginner testing Envato sales in just 1 month. Want me to deep dive into SEO keywords, pricing strategy, or create a template live on stream? Let me know. If you liked this, hit like, subscribe, and share. It helps me make more content so we all grow together. Catch you next time.